So in this video, I am going to go through the process of doing a cash out on your Cash App. So first of all, when you're doing this, you have to have a Cash App on your phone, the app. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, you definitely have to download it first in order to do this process step. While you're doing that, you submit your information. I'm not sure if it's if you can do it from a card or a bank account, but I know that my Cash App account is linked to my bank account. So as I go through the process, that will let me know for sure if there's an option that you can choose from. So right now I have $40. You can see right now I have $40 in my Cash App right now. Okay, the first thing what I do is I tap the $40. Okay, and then it brings me to this page where you can get like a card, and then it shows you like what visits you can do using the Cash App, or you can get a free cash card. You can either add cash to it or you can cash it out. Since I do not have a card, I am going to cash it out. So I press cash out, and the second step that you do is either I can, and it gives you an option of how much I want out of my account. So some people, they tend to use this like scroll thing, and then scroll down like that, or you can highlight it, touch it, and then you can also put the amount that you want to be cashed out. So let's say I want everything. If I wanted everything, I wouldn't go through the whole scrolling. I would just pretty much just go cash out, and then I would press cash out. But let's say if I wanted to just only do $20, I would tap it, backspace, $20, and then I'll press cash out. So it's pretty much self-explanatory how to cash out. I'm going to show you, what's the steps along with it as well. I've been told that if you want to get like a cash card, it only lasts a week, but I'm not going to really go too much in full detail about that because I don't have that right now. But the Cash App, also, I know when I get payments done to me, or I'm getting cash from like a friend, or from a gig or whatever, I get a notification on my phone letting me know, hey, this person sent this amount of money and their name, right, probably maybe about 3 minutes later after when they cash it out to me. And when you're going through the whole Cash App process, you have to have a name, Cash App name. Like, I noticed that a lot of names have like dollar signs in the front of them, but I think that you can use, like, for instance, if somebody was like, hey, I want to, like, if you did a service, hey, I want to pay you, such and such money for Cash App, and then you give them your name that you have selected as your Cash App name. I believe you can either do an email, or I believe you can do like a first name or whatever, but make sure that maybe if you have a picture, it might help. I don't have a picture on mine, and people tend to find me real easily because I guess my name is unique, but you want to make sure that they send it to the right person, the right Cash App tag name and so forth, so there's no any confusions or nothing that's misinterpreted. So, yeah, like I said before, you go to the screen after when you press the cash out of the amount that you have. So let me do this again and go back. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna do this again. So I'm pressing the $40. Okay, then I press cash out, and like I said before, it gives you the amount of what amount of money that you want to be cashed out. I'm gonna cash out everything, so I'm gonna press cash out. Then it gives me a selection if I want to do it instant, which is a $60 fee, which is not it's not bad. But I'm not in any rush, so I'm going to select standard Friday. Normally I believe it's 3 days. If it's over the weekend, I think it's a little bit more. I'm not sure. I think the standard is just 3 days. So I'm going to do standard. $40 will be available in my bank account on Friday. So, like I said before, when you're going through the whole process of downloading the Cash App, make sure that you have your account number linked to your account so it can be really easy and self-explanatory. So, yeah, that's pretty much it with the Cash App.